Hello again, people. Right, sorry the chart's such a mess, but I did say that I would show you my actual breakdown of what all this stuff was on the chart, and wanted to show you my trade today. I said that I would go long and I wanted to target the 128 level. Well, it stopped just short of that level, as you can see. And what I did, I put my target there expecting the price to hit it fairly quickly. As you can see, I took the trade somewhere between well, let's have a look at the exact time. I took it as a result of both indicators on this 5-minute chart turning green. I said in the previous video that I wanted that descending trend line on the the RSI histo, to be broken. So that was the plan, and I followed the plan with precision. I dropped down to the 1-minute chart and made sure that after my 5-minute closed, I'd got the pullback. There's the pullback there, and there's the entry there, green and green. I didn't wait for the bar to close. I just entered the moment this histo. I didn't want to miss it, to be honest with you. And then, as you can see, we got 20 minutes or so of so yeah, I entered just after 8:30, and then 20 minutes or so of sideways, which was not how I like my trades to go. And then I waited for the burst. Now, the reason I closed this manually with just over 6 pips net profit was because it hadn't hit my target in a timely manner, and 7 AM is the Frankfurt Open. I don't know where that's gone. Oh, the pink line there, and that is when all hell is let loose, and I did not want to lose my trade. So that's an important thing to remember, guys. Take it up to 1 minute before, by all means, or to let your price get hit, because they often do that, and these are the games that the dealers do, or the big boys, should I say, the institutions. And as you can see, they've crashed it. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if it continues back up to my 128 level and beyond. So this is a quick part 2 video. I was going to do the whole breakdown of this analysis, starting on a clean chart for you and showing you all the lines that I put on there, but I'll do that in part 3. And there may well be another trade to the long side here, because let's have a quick look at need to remind myself to have a quick look at the H1. Now, if my memory serves me correctly, H1, when I entered the trade, was looking a bit tricky to the long side. You can see this Indy here, my little precious one, was against me. In other words, there was no momentum to the long side. So I'm well aware that this could just reverse big time and get back in line with the H4, which is below 0, and just showing a pullback against the selling, the short trade. So shorts are the target, but there is news again at 9:30, I think. I did say that in my previous video, but it seems a long time ago now. Just looking on my other machine for the news. Excuse me, got a blinking cold here again. Perpetual colds. Yeah, 9:30 final services PMI today. Oh no, we're Tuesday, sorry. Monetary policy report hearings. I'm ahead of myself. So yeah, 9:30 news, which normally means they will drive the price to a certain level, which is again why my bias was potentially long before reversing it. So we need to watch out for some games here. 30-minute was out of alignment as well, I think. No, we were in alignment there. Yeah, we just turned into alignment on that last 30 minutes. So this could again continue up, although I prefer to see it when it's doing this sort of scenario here on these charts. And as you can see, it's a big blast up to the long side, so reversals might be on the cards, guys. If that's the case, then I can't really trade them. I don't want to be trading after 9 o'clock, and I don't want to be trading too close to the news, just wasting my life, to be honest with you, staring at charts. So I've got my trading for today, and I will look for another opportunity later. Anyway, thanks you for watching again, and I will break down all these lines on this chart for you on the next video, part 3.